Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this brilliant 3008. This is a one-owner car that's done less than 14,000 miles. It's got 17-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside of the car you've got the CD player, radio and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as air conditioning and cruise control. The car comes with 1 year's warranty and is £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.